Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to the Hot Stocks Outlook for March 16th, 2017. Hope you're all doing well out there in the markets. Now, we've got several trading opportunities to take a look at. We got Philip Morris here, some technology stocks, Apache, some energy stocks here. But the most important thing as always is to understand how am I making trading decisions day in and day out? What tools am I really relying on? So let me go ahead and explain a couple of things against the price data here that we have for Philip Morris. These being daily bars and candles representing the price data. You're going to notice that we have a black line and a blue line against the price data, and also this green value at the very bottom of the chart. So let me explain everything here. Now, the black line is just a simple moving average. So it really just summarizes what's already occurred in a given market. However, this blue line against that black line and the price data, that's VantagePoint's proprietary predicted moving average. So for that value to be generated, VantagePoint is utilizing the technology of neural networks, type of artificial intelligence, to figure out how other related markets are all influencing and driving the market that you're trading. So for this value to be plotted on the chart, again, it's incorporating that data and forecasting where prices are expected to go moving forward. So for traders, all they need to understand is, once that blue line, that predicted value, crosses above the actual value, then that signals that the market is in an uptrend. And as long as that blue line remains above that black line, then that prediction, that value should still keep moving higher, and that trend is likely to move higher as well. So traders just need to really pay attention to these crossovers. You see, we've gotten a really nice one here at Philip Morris all the way back in late January there. And as long as that blue line remains above the black line, you're still in an uptrend. Since that forecast came through, you're up over 20% in just the last 40 trading days, about $19 per share. So just a huge, huge opportunity there. 500 shares, even 100 shares, making several $1,000s over a very short period of time here. But let me go ahead and explain this other indicator here at the bottom of the screen, this being the predicted neural index. And we'll see how this works moving forward through some of these chart examples. But the predicted neural index is a 48-hour indicator. So just 2 trading days, 2 candles, 2 trading days there, 48 hours, 2 days, and signaling short-term strength or weakness. So if you understand that the market's in an uptrend, and then you also have an extremely accurate indicator telling you over the next 48 hours, what should you expect in the markets, you're going to have a huge leg up on making those better trading decisions and positioning yourself appropriately. So we see we'd gotten the neural index dipped down to a 0. You get that weakness for the next couple of days, but you certainly don't want to be selling out of the market. A huge, huge rally happening over the next 3 trading days there. So very important to understand that, look, as long as that trend is in place, keep taking those long positions in the market. And, I want to dig in a little deeper this week to the VantagePoint software. Not only do you get those predicted moving averages, that short-term forecast, but you actually get a predicted high and low value. You see the predicted high and low for today's trading, and you just see how accurate these levels are at signaling, look, these are the lows of those days, essentially. If you want to be a buyer on this weakness over the next couple of days, buy into the market. You see predicted lows getting hit over this period of time where it says, look, expect the market to move higher. We know the market's in an uptrend. Well, where do you want to buy? At those predicted levels as that trend continues higher. And so really, regardless of the way that you trade, whether you're a short-term day trader, swing trader, you trade options, you've got all of the information, a very accurate forecast to make those trading decisions off of so that you can make intelligent trading decisions and keep making money. Let's go ahead and move forward. We've got CalAmp Corporation here. And the exact same thing. A lot of traders get tripped up because they don't realize if a trend is reversed or not. So, we'd gotten a crossover all the way here back in January, end of January there, so about a month and a half of trading so far. But you see so many traders getting tripped up in periods of time like this. You got 10 trading days where the market goes sideways, but the trend is still up. You never get that crossover from that blue line crossing below the black line. And you want to make sure that you're still involved in the position, because since that forecast came through that there was a trend reversal, the market's up over 11% in just the past 34 trading days. So the last thing you want to be doing is sacrificing your position at the worst possible time when you're still in a strong uptrend. And we've seen a really nice rally as this market moves higher in line with that trend really continuing there. Moving forward to Rockwell Automation. So again, same logic, same approach. you want to look for the combination of these effects where you've got that crossover, neural index strongly there to 1. We see the market inching higher and inching and higher, but that's a great opportunity to get involved with this trend because, once these days start trading, you really need to already have that position in place so you can really take advantage of all that volatility when it comes into the market. Things have traded a little bit sideways here, but never gotten a crossover to the downside, and the market again pushing higher to about $157 per share. Really, really nice trading opportunity here. But really, regardless of your trading style, you understand, look, the trend is up. Use that neural index, use those predicted ranges that you get each day, and make the most out of this 13.5% move higher over the past 48 trading days. So really nice opportunity to go ahead and start the quarter of 2017, making about 14% on some of your positions out there. Apache. I sound like a broken record each week talking about these energy sector stocks and a lot of the weakness that we've seen, but lo and behold, what did we get last week? Just a ton of weakness in the oil market. And that really affected a lot of these stocks. You see these things getting killed. There's about a 5 or 6% move over these trading days, but in line with the VantagePoint forecast of saying, look, remain in this downtrend. Over the past 61 trading days, the market's down 23.5%. So, even on 500 shares, you buy some put options, again, $6,000 or $7,000 over just really the beginning of this quarter. Most of that money has been made here. And again, understanding that, look, these companies are going to be very, very weak along with, crude oil. When you see all that weakness come in, you can really expect that these forecasts to play out and still experience that weakness over that last couple of weeks we've had. Last but not least, again, taking advantage of these lower price stocks and really the accurate forecasting of these moving averages, the neural index, but also the predicted high and low levels to give you that guidance of what should be my trading decisions today. What should I be looking for to really make the most of my trading style? So we'd gotten this crossover, well back here all the way in February. It's been about a month's time now. This market is up over 50%. So regardless of the size of trader you are, $5,000, you've made $2,500. $10,000 position, you made $5,000 over really the last month of trading here. That is a huge, huge increase on your equity of your account. But what I really want to show you here is that, in line with the overall forecast, the trend being up, neural index guiding you when that strength is going to be evident in the market, we also have our predicted high and low levels, right? And, we talked about this over the past couple of weeks, great opportunity here. But again, if this market's in an uptrend and you're expecting some weakness over the next couple of trading days, well, these are great opportunities to buy into the market at those predicted low levels. Once the neural index is up at a 1 signaling strength, again, great opportunities to buy at those predicted low levels intraday. And just over the past couple of days, 2 trading days, you hit this predicted low level, market moves up and hits the predicted high, about a 5% move just yesterday as the market moved from this level and moved up to that higher predicted level there. So just a fantastic trading opportunity here in Himax Technology, and 50% rally higher in a month, really just the last month of trading, 21 trading days going back to really February 15th when this thing really started to take off and move. So again, and as always, I hope this has been helpful. Best of luck to you traders out there in the markets. Good luck. Thank you all for watching. And of course, bye for now.